Hi and welcome back to the channel, Buffett. So today I'm gonna be still reviewing Genesis. Well, this comes as my favorite show, Mzansi Magic, honestly. But okay, let's get straight to it, Buffett. So Umaruna went to the internet to actually go and address her side of the story of people having to compare her, especially the fans lapa our Genesis are comparing Umaruna and Felicia because Felicia just stepped out of her retirement process. So the Shopper family, as you can see, O2 is not impressed at all. They are not happy to see this video surfacing on the internet and trending on the internet. But Umfundisi had a special message for the family regarding Umaruna and still believes in Maruna, I think, because he said something like Maruna is a very talented artist and he believed in Maruna's light, but the only person that is wasting Maruna's talent is Uwendi, of which is Maruna's mom. You understand? So Maruna's mom is out there sabotaging the name of Maruna and their family, but also using Maruna as the person who has the spotlight in the family. So the only person who's sabotaging this whole thing and sabotaging Maruna's career is Uwendi. And Uwendi is that very same person who is stepping in and stepping on Maruna's toes in order to destroy the career yake, but acts like a person who supports Maruna. On the other side, Buffett now Ubonko no Felicia have seen the video, and I must say they are also not happy as should, because they are the ones who actually signed Maruna. But for Maruna to actually sabotage Felicia's name was actually foul over. I didn't even believe Maruna can do that. But I think it was out of anger because obviously she wasn't chosen to be the wife of the Tabetes. So obviously it came to Felicia as like disrespect. Yeah, but because Felicia was the previous CEO, I guess, CEO of Genesis. So it wasn't a good thing, yeah, I understand that. But Bongo kept on actually coming with super good suggestions. This was surprised. No one expected. The legendary musician, the award-winning musician, Rebecca Malupe, ulaphana Genesis bafethu. And Felicia was so happy to see Rebecca lapana. So angazi uma niyamazi bafethu uRebecca. uRebecca is a gospel musician lapha eSouth Africa who was very big ngey'khathi zakhe, understand. She is not really releasing anymore, but she has a big brand name, yabona. So she came through lapha kwaThabethe. And obviously, I think Felicia is going to be working with big names, Brenda Mtambo, who are willing to actually assist her on her vocals. On the other side, Stapia came to warn Uwendi ukuthi uMasibushi is a very dangerous woman in the loan shark business. And Uwendi does not seem bothered. She does not seem bothered at all with Masibushi is around town. You understand that? So Masibushi declared war because Uwendi is stubborn. Uwendi is thinking about money in the head, but without thinking about the risk at that time and the dangers he might face. So Stapia is laughing at Uwendi about saying, Uwendi telling Stapia ukuthi yena, she is not afraid. She's not worried about Masibushi. Masibushi can declare war. She does not care. She's not scared. She's not afraid of Masibushi. She's gonna continue doing her loan shark business. On the other side, Rebecca Malupe meets the Tabete family along with the Shopper family. You understand? So both these families are happy to see the legend, and you could tell Uguti Genesis has a lot of plans, so Ufundisi and his family came through, and it said Uguti Genesis is not only a label, but it's a huge institution with gospel industry, understand? So I'm thinking Uguti uMahlophe yabona umfazi kaBishop is also going to contribute to recording songs with Felicia. So this is going to be a trio. It's going to be uMalupe, Rebecca, Felicia, and also uMahlophe. Hey, it's going to be interesting lapha Genesis because they bring in the big guns lapha. So this part actually inspired me as a music lover. Well, I'm a hip-hop music lover, so I can relate to what they were trying to do as gospel vocalists. So uBonko-ke wayoshaya ipiano esintadume ngaso, uRebecca started singing along with Felicia. It was a cute moment to witness lapha nakwaThabe. So I think things are going well lapha Genesis. So on the other side, Zachariah, I think this is coming out of greed because Zachariah is desperate. He got his 100K for actually selling in and selling out Umaruna Nompumi. But I think the money is actually finished because Zachariah is a heavy drinker. So Zachariah came to broadcast and actually come and cast these ideas to Wendy with him. He has an idea of actually making Wendy's business even more successful, but as a family. So he was like, he's gonna like branch out the business to the uncles, the partner, umndeni, branch out the business to different people in order to make profits. And when that happens, none of their children will see debts, with which I don't believe. But here when they seem to love the idea, so I think they're gonna stick to it as brother and sister. For once, they united onto something, but it requires money. So on the other side, the cat fight continues. Mpumi has some insecurities work, yeah, but regarding Gabriel, of which I do think, and I have said this before, because Gabriel Buffett is using Mpumi. There's no way Gabriel actually wants or loves Mpumi that much. Gabriel is using Mpumi. And you could see Buffett to go to okay, sharp. Gabriel is now pissed off and tired of this cat fight between these two sisters. And Marona believes she is the one who is experienced in this music industry, because she has the album, she has been making waves, and we have seen Marona Bafethu. She is the face of the gospel industry, Lapha Genesis, you understand. So Mpumi is failing to actually agree to that, but because she wants to save her relationship, she is not even paying attention to that, you understand. So Gabriel has made it clear ukuthi yena ufuna ukulanda u-Ishmael. The only person that is missing like Revelation records is Ishmael. So he will snatch Ishmael from Genesis and transfer him to Revelation records because he believes that he made Ishmael. On the other side, Bafethu, it's girl talk lapana between the law sisters-in-law, I mean. So always as should and as usual is excited to marry Ubongo, but no when I still said about the job thing, and they were speaking about it, and Oetu, as you can see, as a sister-in-law, is trying to console Nobuhle about her having to lose her job, and Nobuhle is actually worried about her relationship not being on the public like Oetu Noboko. So yeah, actually about Oetu she's gonna support Nobuhle by all means. Maise Shatile Noboko, she's gonna endorse the relationship with Ishmael Nobuhle. That's quite good, I won't lie. On the other side, the Bafethu, Masibu, she's not giving up. She's coming through Lapana Kasedibeng. She's coming through over and over Kasedibeng to go and attack Wendy, you understand that? And Ushilogo Masibu Shubuti, she wants war and she'll continuously coming at Wendy's place up until Wendy steps out of the loan shark business, because Masibu, she believes she is the queen of the loan shark business, you understand? So now it's the thing, you would see Wendy is threatened because if he does not step out, something bad is gonna happen to her. And Wendy is stubborn, but as you can see in the picture, this person looks afraid. I laughed at that scene because inside she knows she stepped into a danger zone. You understand that? Having to establish a loan shark business, who has like the bigger clients in the hood or around that particular area or that community that Wendy is surrounded in. So Wendy bafethu samphethe labantu noZachariah. NoZachariah as a brother tried to actually protect Wendy, but Wendy is stubborn, you understand. So there is war between those two people. So regarding Bafethi beef, Revelation in Genesis, now it's getting even more hot because Gabriel has heard who Rebecca Malupe is around town and obviously came up to them as a Genesis. So he is not happy about a few things in Genesis as a family member. So you can see the faces change when Gabriel said as family members, because I'm pretty much sure Bongo does not believe Gabriel Shonjalo. And on the other side, we are sure Gabriel he is there. He wants Ishmael to come to Revelation Records and sign him, because he was the one who made Ishmael. It's his product. He groomed Ishmael. So that will happen over his dead body. He won't sign Ishmael because Ishmael is safe under Genesis Records. You understand? So now I guess it's a war, because Gabriel is out for war and is out to fetch everyone, because Basitana umtholile thole Mpumi, but Mpumi wasn't signed to Genesis. Now he got the bigger fish as a Genesis, of which is Umaroon. Now he's going for a bigger gun, which is Ishmael. So Genesis lapha no Felicia nawe Bonko are not actually agreeing to that situation. But okay, I guess it's war now. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bafethu, danko.